Good afternoon, this is Dan from Meraki. What better way to welcome in the warm weather than with breakfast popsicles? They're healthy, refreshing, and full of flavor. I know you'll enjoy. What we'll need is unflavored Greek yogurt, any protein powder you may want, but I find vanilla works best, mixed berries, cocoa powder and cocoa nibs mixed, matcha powder, honey, and walnuts. First thing we're going to do is mix our protein powder into our Greek yogurt. Just stir till fully dissolved. This may take a little while, but eventually you'll get it, and it will be perfect for pouring. Next, we bring out our molds, and we're going to start filling them with our protein powder and Greek yogurt mix. I'm going to start with our walnut honey mix first. You can't really do this wrong. I'm just kind of mixing in a little bit of honey, some walnuts, and even putting in a little bit of layers. Every mix is going to be different and it doesn't really matter. It's all going to taste the same and it's going to taste great. It's just the way you want to present it. So here, I'm filling it up with Greek yogurt and I'm putting a tiny bit of honey at the top to mark which one it is. For our matcha pop, simple as just stirring the matcha into the Greek yogurt. Make sure it's fully dissolved, so it can take a little bit of stirring, but it'll be done eventually. For our mixed berries, I'm just shoving a few mixed berries in. It doesn't really matter, but if they're against the wall of the mold, you'll see them a little bit better and it'll be a tiny bit prettier. Then top with the yogurt. And last but not least, our cocoa nibs and cocoa powder. Just stir it in, done. That's it. Top it up and smack down. This will remove any air bubbles that may have accumulated. Next, we put some plastic wrap over top. And we can use the plastic handles that came with this thing, but I'm just using cinnamon sticks instead. I don't know, it looks a little prettier. We're just gonna press them down and make sure they're stable, and that's it. Now we pop them into our freezer. Don't judge my freezer. And we wait till fully frozen. That could take about 3 to 5 hours. Now we bring them out, and there you go, it's done.